Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, roof rails, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, retractable cargo cover, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.